So kids, before we start, we need our tools. Take your favorite marker or pencil and have just fun. I will take my alcohol marker and we will start drawing. So the camera is in the way, we say in German. If you hear some laughs from behind me, that are my children, Louis and Jonah. They keep up with me with the drawing. So, let's start. I start at the upper side of the egg. Goes down to the big bottom of the egg. Remember, the bottom of the egg is a little bit bigger than the upside of the egg. So, we finished our egg. How cool is that?
Yes.
And yeah, now we can take a look. Oh no! So, now we can make a pattern on the eggs. You can do what you want. You can do like waves. So, or you can do straight lines. Or you can also do a zigzag. Or you can do it like me and do all together. So I will do another straight line. Then I simply follow with some dots. Dots look cool in every unit. So straight line again. And what should I do now? Some half circles. So begin here. Another half circle. Another half circle. And another one. And the last one. So, with what we can continue. Let's make a straight line. And we will do some small lines. To have some texture. We will then hit another straight line and some zigzag again to fill it up. So, and ready is our first Easter egg. So, and to finish this wonderful piece of art, we will make that black. So, great! We finished our second egg. So kids, we have 2 eggs ready to go. You can cut it out and maybe you glue it on a present card, gift card, something like that, or holiday gift card. And now I want to show you something else really cool. No problem, no problem. I need to make it a little bit smaller. So I will continue here. Yeah, round about here. Okay. So remember the bottom of the egg is a little bit rounder as the top. Oh, wonderful egg. So I make one straight line here, one straight line here, and then with a rainbow line we will connect them. Bam! So now we can make parallel to the other lines, 2 smaller lines, and also connect them with a rainbow line. Remember, if I draw too fast for you, just hit the pause button and you can follow along. So, and this time I will do another thing. We let it hang a little bit down with a rainbow line downwards and upwards then. And then we will connect the line. And bam, we have a hanging ear from the bunny. So now we make the inlines. And the ears are ready. What should else do a rabbit need? Maybe an eye. So we draw a circle. We draw another circle on the left side. A